bum, from the doctor and the bum. We've been stuck in the world's longest lockdown, so today I thought I might do the best thing that I can and teach people how to cook with canned food. Now, I bought a few of these different things so that you know what they are. So you've got your Highlands Classic corned beef, or your Pure Foods corned beef, or your, this one's called Australian corned beef. Pretty sure it's not Australian, but it might be Australian beef. And the Hereford corned beef. This has got 25% less sodium. Okay, they range from cheaper, slightly not as cheap. Oh, that's gonna start breaking the budget. Screw it, it's a party. Okay, so those are your corned beef, and I'm going to, over the next couple of weeks, do up a couple of different recipes that I do with all these. Now, the first one is the classic Filipino, and I'm going to do it with this one because I like this one. It tastes good, and it's not as salty. So really, really simple. You get 3 or 4 tomatoes, tomates, and you cut them up, dice them up. Not a problem. You get a small onion, or 2 depending on the size, and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Chuck them in a pan. I mean, that's it. Make them circular so they look pretty. That's it. I mean, seriously, this is the quickest video ever. Alright, you want to brown off your onions. You don't want your garlic to burn. Add a little bit of pepper. Not a lot, just a little. Brings out the flavour of your beef, which is always good. You want beef to have a bit of flavour. You want to get this a little bit cooking, a little bit, so the fat is rendering out, and then you just want to add your tomatoes. I mean, this is just the easiest recipe in the world. Every Filipino makes it. They all have their own little version, but usually it's just tomato, onion, egg, rice, and a vegetable dish on the side. And you want to keep cooking this until the tomatoes are soggy. Really render that fat. You don't want to add too much oil to this one because there's a fair bit of fat in these already. I mean, if you're a foreigner stuck in the Philippines, and this was when I used to be in Siargao, because it used to flood a lot, you'd have to have a fair bit of canned food because you'd be stuck away from anywhere that you can actually get food for 2 or 3 days usually. So this was a staple, and this could be used for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Fantastic, really good with rice. That is almost done. And then I'll just I'll fry up some eggs to go with this, and then that's it. That's my dinner tonight. I'll do a little cucumber salad with it. Yummy. So it serves 3 to 4 to 5 people with rice, with egg. That is it. Done. See how salty it is. A little bit of that. And it's good. Oh, that's a really good corned beef at Hereford. Oh, it's not salty. I'll show you what to do with the other ones, which are a bit saltier, in another video. This one is just good. I'll show you the finished dish, and bon appetit. That's it. Cooking with Doctor and the Bum. Alright, and that is the finished product. I know I said I was going to do a salad, but that actually turns out to be a lot more food than I thought. And it's going to be yummy. Very yummy. So, this little bit of sunny side up eggs. Oh, that is so good. That's really good. Yeah. Yeah, that is good. Alright, well, stay tuned for more recipes. Now, this is just a basic Filipino recipe that everyone does. I will do up some more that are a little bit more spectacular over the next coming weeks.